At Cognizant, we engineer modern business. To achieve this, we've made our mission to help our customers modernize technology, reimagine processes, and transform experiences so they can stay ahead. Every day, our people engineer impact with their clients, their colleagues, within communities, as well as their own lives. Together, we are helping improve everyday life. Visionary leaders like Nestlé, Dufry, ABB, and so many others are shaping industry on a global scale, orchestrating their operations across the globe. To navigate this vast landscape, they need partners who truly understand their business. That's where Cognizant comes into play. We work as global partners with high-performing technology know-how, fully attuned to your needs. Your industries thrive on common themes where digitization, harmonization, simplification, and automation paves the way to success. Together with you, our customer, we take daily strides to enhance convenience, foster interaction based on deep customer insight, deliver next best action across the entire value chain to the customer, and construct an information ecosystem preparing large language models and machine learning for enhanced automation. We are your end-to-end partner, not just defining the right strategy and process solution, but also in implementing and operating them. Welcome to Cognizant, where thought leadership, strategies and solutions are crafted for your success.